Today, we're diving into a topic that's raised eyebrows: the potential health implications of burning candles indoors. You may have heard rumors suggesting that burning candles can release toxic chemicals, leading to severe health concerns. Let's dissect this topic through the lens of science. When you ignite anything, be it a candle or otherwise, a cocktail of chemicals is released into the surrounding air. This holds true for candles too. The precise composition of these emissions is influenced by various factors such as the materials being burned, the environment in which they're burned, and the duration of exposure. Of particular concern are volatile organic compounds, or VOCs, including well-known carcinogens like benzene and formaldehyde. These compounds have the potential to instigate cancer development. Additionally, there's the issue of particulate matter, microscopic particles capable of infiltrating deep into your respiratory system and bloodstream. Inhalation of these particles heightens the risk of respiratory ailments and various cancers. Incomplete combustion, often evidenced by visible smoke, is a major contributor to the formation of soot, a dark residue laden with harmful particles. Soot production escalates when there's insufficient oxygen during the burning process. Moreover, scented candles contain phthalates, compounds notorious for disrupting hormone levels and exacerbating allergies and asthma. Research indicates that while all candles emit some degree of these chemicals, certain types, notably scented candles containing phthalates and those crafted from paraffin wax, may yield elevated levels of VOCs and soot. Nevertheless, these disparities are generally considered too minute to pose a significant health hazard. To mitigate potential risks, the National Candle Association suggests limiting candle usage to 4 hours, utilizing well-ventilated spaces, and adhering to manufacturer guidelines. Studies have demonstrated that even within confined indoor environments, candle emissions typically remain below recommended safety thresholds established by organizations like the World Health Organization. Comparatively, alternative indoor combustion sources like wood-burning stoves and fireplaces can expose individuals to heightened levels of harmful substances. However, prolonged exposure to combustion byproducts remains a focal point of concern for specific demographic groups, such as chimney sweeps or indoor smokers. In summary, while burning candles indoors may result in the release of potentially harmful substances, the quantities typically fall below thresholds of concern unless utilized excessively or by individuals with particular susceptibilities. Nonetheless, adopting measures to minimize soot exposure, such as regularly trimming wicks, maintaining clean wax pools, and avoiding air drafts, can further diminish potential risks. It's crucial to prioritize safety when utilizing candles, especially in households with children and pets. And while occasional candle usage is unlikely to necessitate a comprehensive detox regimen, cultivating a balanced lifestyle contributes to overall health and well-being. In essence, the act of burning candles, while potentially generating some concern, remains a safe practice when exercised in moderation and with due consideration for environmental factors. So, the next time you light a candle, rest assured that with a mindful approach, you can enjoy its ambience without compromising your well-being.